Flavour, what does IJele mean again?
IJele is the biggest masquerade ever event in Africa. Google it.
IJele won!
Welcome back guys to Lion Mark TV. My name is Mark. So today we'll be doing a video from Flavour as the IJele one of Africa. Why do you think Flavour chose, of all masquerade in Africa, of all masquerade in Igboland, he chose IJele to be the name after his own name? That's what we're doing here, and I will be bringing you some interesting facts about the masquerade called IJele and its beauty in the culture of Igboland. If you don't know today, IJele masquerade belongs to the Anambra people and the Enugu people of the southern part of Nigeria, or the eastern part of Nigeria, sorry to say, the eastern part of Nigeria. That is what we'll be sharing with you guys here on the video. If you're new to the channel, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notification, share a comment in the comment section, tell us your own thoughts about the name IJele. As shared by Wikipedia, and I quote, IJele is a special masquerade in Anambra and Enugu state, Nigeria. It is the king of all masquerade, and as such has 45 different other masquerade performed on top of it in the olden days. Presently, the 45 masquerade are represented by the 45 figurines seen on top of IJele. The meat and size of IJele is awesome, and as every aspect of life is dissipated on IJele, it is the climax of all masquerades, hence performs alone and mostly lasts. IJele is a family of four: the mother, father, police, and palm wine tapper, which wow, mother, father, palm wine tapper, which will be discussed under the IJele family below. Yes, just like you've seen, Flavour called himself the IJele one of Africa, and we all have been thinking, why would he of all people choose the name IJele? So many people question that, but those of us who are from the eastern part of Nigeria know, yes, this is a very beautiful masquerade, and it is something that anybody admire, and that is why he's so respected as a Nigerian musician and as a high life singer. He delivers massively. He represents the masquerade, he represents the name IJele in its full glory. Yes. Now I'm taking you guys to another structural part of the masquerade. Now, Nne IJele, meaning the mother of IJele, she is actually beautiful, a beautiful lady masquerade that holds a big ox tail with a cave enamel plate. It performs dance to flute and soft music. IJele father called Onuku. It has a big face and dresses in chieftaincy regalia. Now, IJele mother, she's beautiful, and IJele mother is one masquerade that anybody can, yes, it's a very beautiful masquerade that anyone can admire, anyone would want to really showcase and represent. Now onto the IJele music. IJele music as a band. Flavour was not the first person who owned the IJele name and IJele music as a whole, but he rebranded it. He brought something very beautiful out of it, though the IJele music is not that popular as it used to be during the olden days, like during our ancient fathers days. I also want you guys to make your own research. Search anything related to IJele masquerade in Africa, IJele masquerade in Igboland on Google. You will get massive results from Wikipedia that will really inspire you. But onto this video now, let's discuss the IJele music. IJele music has a special brand of band group that entertain it whenever it performs. It dances majestically to the royal band group called and known as Igboland Royal Band Group, or literally known as Drums of the Kings, popularly called Akunecheyi in Igbo language. Forget my Igbo, guys. I did not really grow up. Talk about my history from the Igboland in another day on this video. Let's just focus on this and do this once and for all. The musical instrument includes 4 drums, ogene, ubom, uyo, ekwe, flute, oja, ufele, wooden clapper, aja, oja, amongst others. The costume, yes, it is a beautiful set of costume. IJele covers all costumes any masquerade could ever carry. It covers all. When I mean all, it covers all costumes any masquerade could ever carry. It has different costume, different texture, and different settings on its own. It is a very loving masquerade, and you know, it has this glamorous look and efficiency to it. Now Flavour also has the beauty of IJele. Flavour has the beauty of IJele. Flavour has the beauty of the masquerade he chose the name to represent, and that's what makes him unique. Talking about the last performance which we enjoyed on the 11th of July, it was something awesome. It was a display of a cultural heritage, and I really don't know what to say, but it was massive and it was beautiful. There will still be clips right after this documentary on IJele. Now let's go to the costume and the symbols of IJele. IJele mirror. This mysterious mirror picks and sees anyone with charms or destructive weapons. The mirror magnates the person to IJele for punishment. The mirror is reflective and creates an artistic beauty. IJele python. Now python, we all know python is a snake, and you could see how the mirror works perfectly. It has a beautiful set of mirror in its body, like it represents the fashion of attack, and you know, it detects when enemies or people who really don't come to him or her as for just entertainment, but has other intentions, you know. And just like he said, it draws it for punishment. The mirror draws the person to IJele for punishment. Now the python, IJele python, this is a big snake signifying royalty and mightiness of IJele. IJele clothes splash fabrics. IJele fabrics, popularly known as ododo, is expensive, colorful, velvety material. IJele has all colors, but yellow, black, and red are pronounced. Yes. Just like you can see from this picture, IJele it has all colors. It's all colors of a masquerade could ever possess. That is what this masquerade has. And it is something that anyone, if you are a lover of cultural attires, if you are a lover of cultural dressing, and if you look at Flavour particularly, you see he dresses in mostly cultural attires. He loves cultural attires a lot. He showcases cultural attires, and he represents the masquerade in his full glory. Yes, so IJele has political, spiritual, social, and psychological, recreational significance. Spiritual, social. IJele performs at the burial ceremony of great and powerful kings or special men and women in Igboland. Yes, it is a masquerade that does not come out anyhow. A masquerade with 45 other masquerades on it. So it is the Lord of all masquerade in Igboland. So it doesn't really come out anyhow. It comes out in its glory. It comes out when it is supposed to come out. And it does not perform in any kind of show. Yes, just like Flavour. He doesn't really, he performs in royalty. If you follow this channel consistently, follow Lionmark TV, you will see that Flavour performs for only top brands. He doesn't really care the amount. He doesn't really care the amount you're willing to pay. He doesn't really care the money you have to spend. But if you don't represent, if you don't have his potentials, let me use the word potentials, I don't think he will perform at your event, no matter what. That is the standard he has created for himself as the IJele one of Africa. Now, psychological appearance. This a high tune of events when different facets of Igbo creational activities is displayed. Though in some communities in Anambra State, It is restricted to young boys and girls singing and dancing to the tune of Akonuche music, which features very prominently during this season. Recreational dissipate is a high tune of events which different facets of Igbo recreational activity is displayed, though in some communities in Anambra State, it is restricted to young boys and girls singing. Yes, we just said that. So, just like you could see from my explanation, I want you guys to make your own finding go to Google, search more about IJele as a masquerade, and you will discover why Flavour chose the name IJele 1 of Africa. We're sharing with you a clip where he called it out and said, go search about the IJele, it is the highest masquerade in Africa. And I'll break down to you a masquerade with 45 other masquerade. If you know any other masquerade in Africa that has 45 other masquerade on top of it, mention that in the comment section and let's discuss that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on post notification. I am Mark and I own this channel. I do mostly Flavour content and other top Nigerian celebrity videos. You guys have been so amazing. I love you guys, and I just want to say thank you for always supporting me, for always finding time to watch my videos. I love you guys. See you guys on our next video.
Flavour, what does IJele mean again?
IJele is the biggest masquerade ever event in Africa. Google it.
IJele